Welcome! Tomorrow I will be flying to Rome. They won't be playing at night. He will be working next month.
As you can see, today we will focus on the future continuous. Let's start. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin. Sally will be studying online tomorrow.
Anne won't be working tomorrow. She will be resting.
The Smiths will be eating dinner in the evening.
Sophie and John won't be working next weekend. They will be camping. As you can see, the future continuous is used to talk about actions that will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time.
For example, Sally will be studying online tomorrow. Sophie and John won't be working next weekend. They will be camping.
Pay attention to the auxiliaries and the verb forms used.
Now practice using the future continuous to talk about actions that will be in progress in the future.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Bye!